Hi, so you might be wondering why laughter yoga is at the UKHC. It's there because it is something that you can integrate into whatever work you do. Laughter yoga relies on three basic things. The first is a period of time where you play, where you have fun, where you make eye contact. Um, it's just a moment of release. The science is very clear. Our brains and our bodies cannot tell the difference between genuine and fake laughter. So this is really a case of fake it until you make it. The next part of the process is one where we have a release through laughter. No tearful catharsis, generally. And then the third part is where you can really get to play with your hypnotic processes. It's a period of meditation, hypnosis, relaxation. You can use it for whatever you like. The exercises transfer wonderfully into a practice. And quite frankly, it's really good fun. So I'd really like you to come along, join me, and actually have some fun.